Just behind me you can see is BT-50. So this is a Thunder pack. This was a dealer fitted fit out. So included in that pack, it's a nice rear roller. So you can just push the button and open it on the back, so that's quite neat. As well as black sports bar. It's also got some neat side steps down along the bottom. Roof racks. The flare kit, so it's got a big flare kit to it. Some bigger rims and more aggressive tyres that are all terrain rather than factory fitted road tyres. But it's also got a factory bar replacement ball bar on the front of it with the light bar, which is quite neat. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. Really like the look of this, the red and black and the big snorkel. So that's the Thunder pack. So we're also going to be doing GVM to this vehicle with the radiator too. So that's just a quick walk around through this one. We're also doing a UHF and a couple other bits and pieces to the vehicle. We're at it, so I just thought I'd do a quick walk through now before we really touch it. The one thing I found interesting, so even though all they've fitted, mainly the additional weight is in this bull bar, but we've measured this eyebrow height, the front here, at 5'10". So that's 30mm sag from the factory eyebrow height on the new BT-50 or the new D-Max, the same vehicle. So the factory eyebrow on these ones is 5'40", and now we're measuring at 5'10". So just by adding this little bull bar, there's not much to it, there's no big spotties, no big hoops, it's quite a thin, light bar. It's made that factory suspension sag 30mm. So we're going to give this car an absolute beef up with our suspension. So we're going to give it probably 40 to 50mm lift above factory. So that's really going to hold the weight and make it look a lot nicer. It's going to have a good stance on the road.